Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Stay tuned with Subha. Hope everyone is doing great. Today we visited a Vedantangal bird sanctuary and it is the oldest sanctuary in India. It's like a water bird sanctuary. So it's a 30-hectare protected area located in the Maduranthakam Taluk, the Chengalpat district. Earlier in 1858, so there is where the collector established this sanctuary. So the best time to see here is the park is actually open from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. But the best time to see the witness the birds is early morning 6 to 9 a.m. and in the evening 4 to 6 p.m. So I like that is where so we visited during the sunset. So many of the birds started coming to nest their places exactly like the sounds and all, like huge number of birds. I haven't seen anywhere like this. So really witnessed it there for the first time. And especially we have to be so proud about these locals because they are protecting, it seems, for so many years, because they are the real protectors, it seems. For that they are sacrificing their crackers and all. They're not at all using the crackers because the birds will get afraid and scared of it. So if they used to start using crackers, they won't visit, it seems, because they are so sensitive. That is why the people are sacrificing a lot. So many things, like if you have a real gear and a good camera, you can spend here the whole day, because that is more nicer to see the closer look, because you can't get into the water. Or from this distance, like almost 100 feet, we have to see only by using any good gears, like a good telescopic cameras. You can have a nice thing. And the field, yeah, I must say this field is so scenic, and it's so clean and neat and so calm, from all the nuisance around us and noise around us. Yeah, this is what the binocular I told. So we just rented it out from the park. Outside the park they are renting so many binoculars, you can rent it out. And it's they are giving for the reasonable price only. So we enjoyed thoroughly with this. And yeah, this is the watchtower to get the aerial view of this sanctuary. So you have to climb like a few steps, but this is a good one to take a look. And I feel like they have to create many more watchtowers to get a good look and a good view, because this is the only tower is here. So yeah, this is what guys, this is so scenic. And see, that is where they are the colors, like during sunset the colors has changed, the leaf colors and all. So they're all like started hatching, and so many birds are sitting in the like with their little babies. So that we have witnessed in many where. Yeah. And especially the walk path, yes, somewhat they are maintaining well. So there is a water supply, restrooms and all. You can come here with the food and all. Home food is then fine. If you are buying from outside food, please collect your trash and throw it outside at the park in the dustbin, because don't throw it in the water, because that is where they are drinking it. So I have seen few number of snack covers, water bottles thrown in the water. So please don't do that, you are just harming them. At least this is a little help we can do, right? And so you can government officials, if you see this video, please do improvise a little bit cleaner one, because I have seen so many green stuffs over here. Yeah, those fungus kind of thing, algae and all, if you remove that, it will be more nicer to cash enjoy these sanctuary. So this is another side, it's like a very simple one, but you can have a good time here. But only thing is, you have to come in person and experience it, until or otherwise whatever the gear, cameras, videos. So really if you experience it, that is more good. Yeah guys.
வந்தீங்கன்னா ஒன்றும்